Hello everybody, this is Axe399. Today we're going to be showing a video footage, our first try of the remote controlled drone that I bought my son as a Christmas present. This is the UDI 818A with just a basic camera. Now the reason I bought this is because I got it for about half price during the Black Friday sale on Amazon. Now you can also buy the latest model, the UDI 818A1 I believe, with an HD camera, but that one regular price is about $40 more. So we just bought the basic one mainly because it had a great sell price during the Thanksgiving Black Friday week. So we'll be back right after this with video. Alright guys, we got a new drone that my son got for Christmas. Finally, some of the snow is starting to melt. We got a lot of water around here, but we're going to go ahead and give this drone that he got for Christmas. I'll have a link where you can buy this drone on Amazon down below. But it's supposed to actually have a camera so you can record video from the drone itself. And it's got a pretty fancy remote control here. So my son's going to go ahead and try to give this its first test right here on my YouTube channel. So we're going to go ahead and set this thing down out here in the middle of this cul-de-sac where we live. And anytime you're ready. So he's got it going. You got to pick it up, dude. Push it back and then up again. Go higher. There you go. That's cool. You need to get good at controlling where you're driving it with the right stick.
You ready?
Go ahead. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, stop. And let it go. Try not to let it crash so hard. I probably won't tear up. I think it's made pretty good. But let's go ahead and once you get it up in the air, go ahead and hit this button down here. And that should record video, so we'll try that out as well. And also you have if you push this button, it should do a flip or something?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that. It's recording? Okay. Awesome. Okay, try not to let it crash so hard, dude. We don't want it broken. It's supposed to be pretty well made, but we don't want to break it. Try not to let it crash that hard, bud. Flip. Up, no, make sure you get it higher before you flip it.
I know.
It looks like it's made pretty well, though. I mean, it took a pretty hard crash there earlier, and flip. There you go. Okay, bring it back with the right stick. Try to bring it backwards. Oh, whoosh!
Oh, look, it went into the grass.
What happened? You lost control of it a little bit.
Yeah, I did. You want me to turn off the camera?
No, leave the camera on. Does it have a light for the camera?
I don't know. Let's see.
No. I figured it'd be on the remote.
Oh, there's a light like right here. It's blue and red into the camera.
Turn the camera off and see if it goes off.
Yeah.
And then it goes back on? Okay, turn it on. There you go. Now try to learn how to control it with the right stick. Keep it up in the air though, and let it down gently.
Holy crap, no! I think I'm gonna lose control of it.
Bring it back. Can you bring it back?
No, I can't. Oh god, this thing's in far range.
Yeah, it is far range. It's still reaching, right?
Yeah.
Get it. Okay, try to bring it down slowly. Bring it down slowly. Don't get it up any higher.
I can't.
It's way up there.
I know.
There you go. Bring it down slowly like that. Huh. Wow. How do you like that thing, dude? Goes. He backs out of the way. Try not to get it up so high.
Yeah, I know.
And you don't want to smash it into somebody's car either. They might get mad if they see. Awesome. Okay, land it gently. See if you can land it gently. Good job. You're learning.